Hey Natalia, I'm creating this quick video to show you how to resize an image in Direct Link. All you do is simply go to email marketing. Just come on to open up your email. So let's go email campaigns. I'll go to, you can go to drafts. So we can go get your coffee. Let's see what we got here. Over to content. And hopefully there's some good images. So let's say we want to resize that guy. You would come over here, go apply effects and more, and then resize. Boom, right there. Height, width. If you have two pictures that are right next to each other and you want them to match up perfectly like we did last time, you would just adjust the width and the height to the same size. Then all you do is just save and next, and that's it. So hopefully this was helpful, and let me know what other questions you have. That one particular picture, though, for whatever reason, was a little bit problematic. We couldn't resize it in here. I'm not sure why we weren't able to. So I actually sent that over to one of our design professionals who resized it for us. So let me know what other questions you have. Happy to help.